Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add an email to your Facebook page. So firstly, let's go to the Facebook page. Make sure you are on the Facebook page, not your Facebook account. Okay, you have to click on this account option or the profile icon, which is top right corner. Then you can see your Facebook profile name and your Facebook page name. You have to click on the Facebook page name. Okay, then it will switch to your Facebook page account. Then you have to click on this profile icon, which is top left corner. Now you have to click on this about section. Click on about, then scroll down and you'll find here add a email. Click on add a email, and you have to add any email, like add an email at the rate gmail.com. After that, you have to click on save. After clicking on save, your email will be added here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.